PIPYN is a Merthyr-based programme that aims to support families live healthier and more active lives. If you live in Merthyr and have a child between 3 and 7 years old, then our PIPYN practitioners are here for you. The PIPYN team works with many different services to help your families access free support around eating healthier on a budget, practical cookery skills, ideas for active play and much more. PIPYN catch-ups will focus on things that matter to you, from help with fussy eating to improving sleep and helping you find out about local family play activities. Our friendly PIPYN team will work with you to offer a range of support in your local community on a one-to-one basis or in groups, depending on what suits you best. There will be opportunities to access free resources to help you cook healthy meals at home on a budget, and family passes are also available to local play services. But the best thing about PIPYN is that it will be tailored to your family's individual needs.
These sessions have been amazing to just hear how she thinks about food, how she thinks about like what goes into a meal, and she's beginning to like, oh, okay, I'll try this because so-and-so today is trying it. I don't think she would have got from anywhere else, not even from me. I'm a home cook, I like cooking, but I couldn't give that same experience.
It's been really good to have PIPYN in the school. The children have really enjoyed it, as well as the parents. And it's been a great opportunity for the families to learn how to cook healthy meals. Yeah, they've really enjoyed it.
So if you have children aged 3 to 7, live in Merthyr and would like to access free support, then the PIPYN team are here to help you and your family live healthier and more active life.